Black man.
Mr. One,
what you go on?
Tell me how the ball. Well, I don't even want bet again.
Make us see.
We did try.
Oh, so you still use these betting platforms? How many times do you want me to tell you to bet on only one XBet?
One XBet?
Yes, they get the best odds ever. Hey, just bring your phone.
Okay.
Download the app on your phone from the Google Play Store.
Okay.
Yes,
one
App Store.
XBet. Download it.
Very good. Now, register using my promo code Vision 2020. That is the promo code. Vision 2020. Promo code I also use. I don't know. Registration successful, right? Yes. Now make your deposit.
Hey,
why? 200% bonus, right? Yes. And this is what one is betting on. When you make a deposit after registration using the promo code Vision 2020, you get instant 200% bonus on your deposit. So now we are going to use that to bet on your favorite teams.
We are four.
Man, relax. Now, only manager Sammy. After placing the bet, when you lose, one XBet will give you back 10% of what you lost. Don't pay enough at the bank.
In bundling in demand.
Also, what any betting cost me. If you call me Mr. One XBet. Mumbai 30.
Hey, Mr. One S. I couldn't yet. Bema. Oh, me. Yeah, I need me send the that. No matter to me. No matter selected teams. No matter near to me. Yes, man.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Hey, pass here! Hey, man, pass here! Hey! Don't try to touch the guy again.
Try what
get me?
Huh? Man, hey, I'll pay you off to put that cutlass down. Second up, no better say. Bobo.
Now better. How can you propose to a boy on the first day of our story?
Hey! Yo! Asante Buddha.
Ushina show me mama say.
Tell me.
I want to toilet. Who class am about it?
So.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say. Mobian dada mo anim brade na wampɛ de ɔkrab wampɛ Mobian ma pressure pem clock on strong man best strength school girl CP ni suban open now for same day I will be a lesbian fraud boys P na boy oba class hour the bench no team seen to the bank mo anim break na satanya ba ku 240 peer pressure it be real so one can't see me never found yeah and me ma wudue it became moje good for cancel trying to 7 flex ya no any aba sugar mama phone ye date or no din come out what sure say yeah my pa
Obiani fear free to ye be adwene tutu na for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool Obiani fear free to ye be adwene tutu na for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool and that's a befoul peer pressure befoul peer pressure befoul peer pressure befoul peer pressure befoul
peer pressure peer pressure peer pressure peer pressure
Obiani fear free to ye be adwene tutu na for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool Obiani fear free to ye be adwene tutu na for some no go take
Osiki
Money Urula.
Osiki
Asperity.
Osiki where we check
Na unzogo. Bye.
Ziggy
Na unzogo.
I'm a break I'm saying best striker.
Hey, I did a way no way.
Benedict. So the one I'm no boy.
Jai. Hi.
Then I go.
Lady me fell. I did it with Kabi. I did it with continuing high be away.
Because give me the appreciation and I can be sure.
Hi, Aqua.
Oh, Osiki. Senior Davis cement are the man on.
I did a teacher creator of Fagu creators for Adeway.
Oh, Osiki.
Come.
I also permission to where we tell it. Fell on it down, cause some of you are.
Go.
Osiki.
I mean, for me to make the Agusa. I did a way in
Osiki way. Who can so mom face crowd?
Oh, I made an information on me from a general from the Guru.
Some chance they answer the money airplane.
Dabi. I mean, no Bitcoin. Yeah.
Osiki way. Me by second we show appreciation. Yeah, we are man. Because say you wa. Ebi aka teacher ni betimi abeto yeso. Oh. Ti hunu se wa save me ne shela. Ba ni je tua to gidi.
Why?
Guru boy. Wa madia ka mitrate. Jaga akasi ya bafi.
Sabe no Mr. Bodi wo phone o coach pesi sai.
Kazabasi. Why are they? I don't say you be an betimi and support who be asa. But they may be away your mom and name guys in the other. I don't so do mommy how to say.
Yeah. Who are you? Aspirate. You fashion. And answer you.
Urugo, if you have a who you also is car. I did
we any you. I did be open to come here. I mean, and I do. I'm here. I'm a homo. I did be a bit country. Money ruler. I will tell me how. I did be a how the cat me do
because no protect yes. We are very fine.
I think the coupon first be 2 and yes.
And yes,
I see more the Okatiri say at 3 weeks. I mean, Ruboy in Kubiano. Yeah, I believe the women was.
Hey, sir, see, asu. Oh, Tinti was a Kenyan day.
I said, no, Mukai, I didn't tell
you. Osiki. Yan Becca Shaw said 3 good weeks. I'm a mumpy.
Yeah,
tis only a chance of Pia was some young Casama Becca.
Wait,
for 1 week is that come. Yeah,
Abakumi,
yes,
yeah. What else?
Osiki. I'm in 2 weeks because they make a yabe. What is it?
Anyhow, I did a wee mammy anyhow. I'm a winning
for 1 week. Keep it down.
Anyhow,
Why? I'm a move you. I was a move can wherever you are. We are part of the show. Yeah, the pass or chill guy. Mucha.
I wish you would be Hey, jealousy will kill you. Why is my friendship dragging you insane? Oh, Rachel, I am not jealous. And it's so beautiful to walk around with high spirits. That is it. I'm not jealous, yeah. Okay, anyways, I will tell him if you want to be his friend too. Oh, really? Do I look like I'm kidding? Oh, thank you so much. In fact, High Spirit has taken me as his younger sister. So anything I will say, he'll do it. Oh, so now I can count myself as one of High Spirit's friends, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Richie, I wanted to ask you something. Okay. I heard it's one of the richest guys in the school. Is it true? Hey, my sister, don't go there. They are rich. I mean, highly rich. In fact, that's why it is said monkeys play with their sizes. Oh, I see. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Let's go and get something to eat then. I'm hungry. Come to think of it, have you heard about Joy today? No, not.
We mash out the place and turn out the party, a higher grade party. Oh Lord, we no want no pussy talk, no funny talk. We a blaze of fire in the yard. One time, me say ganja farm.
Oh God.
Why?
Don't you know that pregnant?
I forgot to use the condom. I should have used the condom. No, wait. Why? Are you angry?
Of course.
No, but you know, it wasn't intentional. Okay? Don't worry, nothing will happen. Okay?
Ready for that?
Come on, you'll find a way out. I'll know what to do.
Let's get out.
Lil Brown on the beat.
Ball it. Yes, I said you be. Okay, for baby. Up on the side, no more two, I am normal. Okay, I support we are normal. We do see a promise on my honor. Or shall say, up on the side, no more two, I am normal. Okay, I support we are normal. We do see a promise on my
What's up?
I didn't make the answer. Boy, and answer. Boy, you didn't know nobody didn't say. Yeah, but guys, I'm not convinced. Come to think of it, high spirits and it's clear. You're making money big time, pal. I even heard last weekend they went to Yasan Senior High School for an payment and a lot of money went. Exactly. I don't even know where they get the money from. Hey, where's their source of income? Man, you don't haven't heard anything about that.
You are coming to ask me for now. If I get fella and I'm coming to give it to you, you'll be talking and everything fella. You knew now you're coming to talk.
You are the fella man. That's why I've come. Fella man. You know anything about what I'm sitting down talking yab. Master, if you know anything, Master.
I'm still on it.
I'm
still on it. I'm continuing researching and doing more. So I'm sure by Master time I'll get to know.
Fella man.
Yeah.
Watch it. But you know something? Let's invite high spirits and people. We can score them and make a lot of money next weekend.
They don't deal with football and stuff.
Let's convince them.
All they know is and it's simple. If you crack your hand, break your hand, you go.
But the thing is, how do they make the money? How?
I'm still on it. I'm doing some researches. I'll get to know.
Changing clothes, shoes. No, let's go to the metro. I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'll get to know their source of income.
You got problem now.
Even if the research didn't help me or it will not help me, I'll go straight to them. I'll see, hey, high spirit, where do you get your source of income? And he will be doing like that. Please, it's this and that and that and he will talk. Yes, I said you be. Okay, for baby. Up on the side, no more two, I am normal. Okay, I support we are normal. We do see a promise on my honor. Or shall say. Up on the side, no more two, I am normal. Okay, I support we are normal. We do see a promise on my honor. Or shall say. And the boys is to buy us a talk. And it's so much in their call. I'm not winning yet in the Bible. Yeah, they are tied on the I'm in the talk. I'm not going to get you up here. Brother, the boss, what you say? And my penny guy, no one she has seen. I'm a grand soul, but I see what the other day. I have find the one for the world. I'm no man. Because I want more. But I can't say you for the shot. Yes, sorry.
You can have a seat. You can have your seats.
Beautiful. Wow.
You're surprised, right?
Of course I am.
That is my house.
In fact, you have a very beautiful home. Very beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Mama.
Here is my humble home.
Okay.
I'm going to stay with you here.
Wow, really?
Hopefully you're interested.
Oh, come on. I've already told you that whenever you need me, I'll be there for you. Okay? So if you want me to stay here, why not? Oh. Can you just...
Oh, you can want it. It's for you. Just want it.
Mama, no. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
I'm coming, okay?
Oh, okay.
Find yourself comfortable.
Okay, no problem. Check. I'm not so you ready? It's nice, I win. Hey! Let's go, baby. Huh. What brand is that? Boy, yeah. I'm watching my baby. Huh. My baby. That's nice anyway.
Welcome home, baby boy.
Thank you.
Why you seem so surprised? Why?
Oh, nothing.
Are you okay?
Oh yes, I'm okay. I'm fine. But anyway, you had a call.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that is my daughter, Mimi.
Your daughter?
My daughter. I'm my firstborn.
Hey, wow. She's beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Yes, she's just like you.
Is that Salama?
Yes.
Salama. One day, then I will know.
Oh.
What of you? Sorry.
Yeah, no, Miss was I was on the
I was sorry if you're son of
the men have to be okay? They have to be yes.
Okay, Matty. Babache, that reminds me. Are you going to school?
Oh, me. Oh, me a Prempo boy. Yes. I attend Prempo College.
And we have a struggle school more one day.
Oh, Mama.
We have a struggle.
Oh, me have to be. You know, the boys, they know my mom already. Okay, so when you come there, it will be like, hey, so who is this? Me too, I don't want that.
Sir.
I said, oh, don't worry. So you, don't worry. Whenever you want to see me, just give me a call. Okay? Give me a call. Oh, come.
Oh
yes.
Okay. Me do be fie yi say jam do be fie mo be me fie.
Oh yes.
What chem bibi kakra. Abanda mam fa ko dem. E chem bibi kakra. Ana.
No ma.
Any sort of lover boy.
All right. Okay.
So chem bibi kakra.
Say what you want.
Ko go su body na. Hey. Ko na go su body kakra.
Sir? I bet you was new.
Oh, na na.
I bet you was that. But yeah. Hey, mama. Why are you giving me this face? Huh? Anyway, Mama will get any day to come there.
In cafe is been uncomfortable for now.
Never done.
That face that I've been.
Why have you been lying to me? Why? Wow, what's it when sister Miriam Nico you? School Mohini no being himself in the war. Anna
Miriam,
I feel one mammy at Seattle, maybe you know. I feel now, Ade.
Jojo Modichaminasa.
Who means
Naming your one was ordinary.
who means school has said, it's a same peer, just has some near no crack. Me and your sister Vivian, Uncle Major, or
no Sabi and the call me a rumor. What has it?
And what are you doing here at this time? You're supposed to be at prep, and you are here with my fiancé. By the count of 3, leave here. 1, 2, 2. Nkrumah.
What?
How many times am I bolding?
Yes,
Eti wo nti akwala kiti we. Sa supiki we. Eti me didi me mate.
Then now person dey yo. The what be gina here wo chiri. Wo dan ho wo nya pre wo kase ni no popu. What do you expect? Dear now expecting. Huh? Dear now better make a trip him.
Say. Who say me you Jimmy for?
Why are you saying that? I don't know what to say.
So what train you ama me baby we school. Me no go shall say form 1. I hope so we may okay pa.
Oh, why not? That's not how we feel.
Yo, for your information, me my dick is only get on date. Na say you say me met now, meaning so worry. That one dear, I understand. But say pass met now, I'm was some for sa kwala we. E dey come ho dear. Wallahi tallahi.
Hey. Who keep family me so? What church am talk? Miriam, man. Sorry, cry. Only sorry, cry. You are from one who saw Quack stopping Colay from Cassaye and Miss Mia what you are from 2. Nam got him no man. Oh, my baby. Make up from 2 and no master one for Stina Maker. Oh, yeah. The cooking and look at the usual base. My only child. The quack of pepper could be a jam there and what's up. Jammy. Beats now one no more day you saw your Cassam cotton some boy. Shia. She was a man. Miriam and Nimini. Eh? Bra. One will be saying, Tam, my book, who you made, send me from Santomia, send me from Tontombo. Almost never when the waker, didn't from Tunisia when he's old. Or she is senior. Oh, when him, I am in Mechi. I dare see many of my cousin, my own. What you find so coy? Miriam, a home and pin, and maybe with a Miriam, or boom, dear, to us straight up on yes or Quabo. In coma. Hey, Baba no na be ma da ne oba bra. Be hwe na kwa na ge kidi. O twi fa so kwa biti na ye hye. Me hu de me say by please. Oni for still na e dey from 2. Na ni Miriam me so somebody wo mo di ko. Ye me hu de me ye no me ti e hye bra. So Eliyasu itua nonko a itua biem. Onkroma na de so hu. Me de ba na wano na gwa Mr. Advisor utumefo. Asa de na no de no do. Bema, ma me kan kire Assembly, Pano Pumasibrentem, and San and Crow will make Jimmy or Makoku or girls yard ho. Huh?
How yes, she thing to swap from me. Everything I said, Jay or ho, damn me. Ade. What's your book now? What kind of chip? Babu Surana, Babu Surana, let me tell you something. What? Oba ami hu o. Oba kuma se mi hu. What time of your France ma? I'm moving from Tomago.
Kyekyeku 2016 me okroma wu enti Babylon hu ana kuma etu.
It was very embarrassing. I can't even think of it. How very embarrassing. Two people fighting over one man. Did you see how the Form 2 girl was giving her dialogues? The Form 3 girl didn't have any dialogues for the Form 2 girl. Oh yes, I even wanted her to beat her up. You know something? Don't you think they are fighting over a teacher? I guess so, because the last time I saw Mr. Nkrumah with one of the girls, when the Form 3 student was passing by, the way she was giving her attitude. Sister, I don't know what to think anymore. This our world is turning into something else. Go to social media, you will hear papano, papano, papano. And now it's brown in our school. They couldn't even mention the name. Do you know something? What if Madam had caught us? Would have been dead by now. Dead by now. The way I ran, I left my place. Oh, Madam will surely tell the headmaster. I'm wondering if the headmaster will hear this. Ha! Hey. I ran off. If not of that, they will be dealt with. Hey, very severe. Oh. Why should they even do that? Fighting over a man. Hey. I found two names now. Not them. Hey,
Christina, Miss Iva, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Great. I am much disappointed in you. Really disappointed. Very much disappointed. Have I ever called you here before? No, this is the very first time. Why would you do that in the first place? Why? Fighting with your senior. Somebody who came here before you. And it's even against the school rules and regulations. Why are you fighting over a teacher who is already married? Who has already established his family? And you are here fighting over him. What will you gain? So you can't swallow your pride, right? You are too arrogant to the extent that you want to fight your senior. Please, I beg you, I do not want that to happen again. Do you hear me? The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Proverbs chapter 8 verse 13 says, the fear of the Lord is to stay away from evil. Stay away from arrogancy, pride. Please, I beg you. Don't you want to be a nurse? A bank manager or something? So why are you much interested in someone who is ready to ruin your life? I beg you, I do not want that to happen again. Please. So right from here, you go straight and apologize to her. Do you hear? Yes, good. I will.
marry your books. Your books are supposed to be your boyfriend. Your books are supposed to be your husband, your friend, your everything. But not to fight. What will you get at the end of it? Nothing. Do you want to end up by being at the roadside, selling pure water or something?
I don't even know what to say. I'm really ashamed of myself. Thank you very much for talking to me. I can see I've been the topic on campus. And honestly, I regret putting myself into this act. I've decided to make amends. I want to go back and start afresh.
Good.
So I'll try and make a way and break up with the tutor.
You don't have to try. You're going straight to break up with him.
I'll break up with him.
Good.
And then I'll settle the dispute between myself and Miriam, so that we can all start afresh and then peace will reign. Okay. I'm really ashamed of myself. And I'm grateful for you coming forward to talk to me about this issue.
Okay.
I promise I'll not let you down.
Good.
Yeah, no, I have to say.
So from here, just go straight and I'll talk to her as well.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't mind them. Don't mind them. One in the place. Don't mind them. So what time you? Shenanim as a Kyekyeku 2016. Me wo Roman who enti Babylon one and a cool man.
Why are you like that? Why are you like that? I don't know this. Why would you have to go and create that scene? Then I'll be your Peter and what is it? What would you walk over? So would you walk over say? Ah, you need to You're throwing me for.
Say, I'm here washing you, and I'll smile say you're my friend, bro. It's the work the patch of Kanaminko. When did she come from Aminko? Why?
Hey, no problem. The thing is, from what is happening around school now, the name of course on some course. I think it will be better. Say you better call and quit. What I say, be a better baby like you be giant. Now you better new mark because Charlie pressure is so. What I say, now abwa. What am I trying to say?
Oh, okay. And 1 hour.
Yeah, me.
Okay, me cry me imagine say me can't say me catch with that. And it's always with the Boston.
Say.
Say me person me no with chai.
Oh, okay.
It's to say now Kadia.
No problem.
Thank you. Anyway, Mami Boza, see you later.
High grade, yeah. Yes, I rustin' do, rustin' say, rust my music, rust my say. Feeling if I do. Yes, I rustin' do, rustin' say, rust my music, rust my say. Feeling if I do. Give me some high grade, yeah. Give me some high grade, yeah. Give me some high grade, yeah. Give me some high grade, yeah.
More prayer. Very good. You uncle. I don't really slide that.
Narration.
Slider, yes. And pick it back. Most of the director will move because some will do mature. Why? Yes, I could do it.
I was praying as well as one of the
And na Michael.
What I say? Why would you? Do Obusa ni na Obusa no question ni ya tisi never as na be ebe abesu do okay. Okay. And na no wani e dey. Akopon na ni bo wani no see ni transit. To hwe na wo wa be na fi reactions e kwa haba. E kwa haba ha wi a na won wa Obusa o say.
Very short speed and
Action.
Now, Mary, tell me, what was the dream all about? Michael, has she done anything against you?
I feel so fly when I try. That thing, say alright. I feel so fly in my mind.
Yo, Spap. David.
Going all the way.
Hey, Panis in your pot.
I'm feeling so hey, let me say, we sipping on something that you probably wanna taste, okay, in your face, we about to set the pace, just pop a bottle, we gon' take it to a better place. With family and friends that love me and do all they can to make me smile. So here,
okay.
swag, it makes me fly. I feel so fly when I try. That thing that makes me alright. I feel so fly in my mind. I'm the same drink company with them, I see me be a many widows, but you actually see. Then you know your time, good for your family. This is so lovely. They be like a liver with this kind of drink is healing me. When I'm hot, chilling me. Now the water feeling me. Mama drop the melody. I'm on floor. Drink Coca-Cola.
Interesting down.
What's my voice out?
Hands in town, neck out.
You better be. Your name?
Alvin Water.
Alvin Water. It smells though. That would just manage. And your school father? Senior Davis. This boy's speak? Oh, that's not bad. Anyways, I'm just going to congratulate you for a very great performance on stage during entertainment last weekend. You really have a good talent. Okay, you're welcome. Anyways, I'm Prince Isles.
Prince.
Why are you stammering? I said Prince Isles.
Prince.
Hey, it's okay. I'm Prince Isles. I'm from America. I'm a Black American. Yeah, nice meeting you. Right, son? Leave. Okay.
Yeah, well, it was school, but it's just funny. It's a guy, especially like I said, it's also this year.
I said I'm not.
Listen, what is so new about a lady proposing to a lady?
What is wrong with a lady proposing to? Yanko MPK, why?
Oh shit.
Excuse you.
Recording. Okay. Action.
Khadija, can you free singing?
What do you actually want? What's our student being was it? I say, what can I say? The other one young for what we see, but you never want some.
So I feel like advising you to stop that thing.
It's all kind now what can we say? You need answer and the me you need answer what? Yes, you trust son. You say me give him 17 years. No, I bet you to the theater and everything. I got a home was in here. Me, we should want an iron action. Me, what by except your mama and no one know the end of your book. Maybe you have la hustle, no general should not. Yes, I love you. Will be anyone when we die. Ah, be I was saying you like all that to win. What do you mean to be? I was a small family. Must right now, gossiping is good or no good?
Oh, Kyekyeku, this is not about Judas. No, say, yeah, or Momo error, any error. Until some Judas,
Do you know that what you are doing? If you are talking about me gossiping about the school people, have you stopped what you are doing too?
What have I done wrong?
Do you know your lifestyle? So our lifestyle being a war. So now say, William Mary, be as a no Mary, a ray you are get there, a ray you are get. Some life no also. What's the school be important? Because every day beyond many feelings I said, one of one Sunday, name would you only with Yakobo Bushabako.
Kyekyeku, Eliyasu, no trust son. Who lives in it yet?
Medium means a tintia.
Who lives with India?
Who minimum? Who see one iron action? Now, who best may mean send an officer. Please let me talk. When you talk, I do that like this. I'm not talk. I whisper like me tell them okay nah. Answer me are coming. Mamma Cassa. What by you? Mamma is time one and out.
Kyekyeku.
And so ne. Yeah, what la hustle now, Dimitri. Me, yes, I love. Or Tamu Shika. Jina. Now, one, I'm saying. Ujimi, no, Obi and the boy, nothing. Oh, me uncle, don't fall. Obi and the boy, when I was at an young corner.
Kyekyeku.
So, peer pressure. I didn't know by your so wouldn't say what you want that done. When you do back up peer pressure for no one. The beggars are winning. It's a priest. I beg your pardon. Priest and priest and priest a lot. Stop what you are talking about. Oh, say.
And okay, since let's take up speed and action.
Don't try to insult me in this. How do you come again? Ushu, at the 50 anchor. Ushu said the number mosquito shoot. That old time shoe, anymore. What is it? Please, don't mess with my name. Get out from my side and stop this fucking rubbish that you're talking about. Get out! Say stop gossiping. Sorry for yourself. Nature Philip Abesi.